YouTube, yeah, back to it. So we're bringing out the killer budget guns today. Why not? I've got the FLG5 for clear coat. I just thought, well, I'm using the GPI for the 2K. Why not use the FLG for the clears? And honestly, like, I sprayed these lights. These lights. You can't see them out that window. There's too much overspray on them. But we have to spray these really quick of a job. Like spray these lights, and I used the FLG5 for it, and I'm like, man, this gun is just sick. Like, $200 gets you a gun that uses less paint than like your Starter 5000s or Water Supernovas, all that. And this gun's like more efficient than them. You know, you probably buy like 6 of those for the price of 1 5 starter, and you'd buy 5 of them, 4 or 5 for the price of your Supernova, and you're saving material, you know. So yeah, this is actually a viewer requested video. They wanted to see me spray 2K direct off through the DPI. Yeah, I can do that. But I don't actually spray this stuff too often. Most of the time I spray base coat, clear coat. You go down there, go on, you flip them back. Nothing wrong with it, mate. Nice and quick. Honestly, it's probably more suited to this than clear coat, to be honest. So last time I sprayed was it like an Audi A4 brand newie with clear on this one. It was a hot day and it looked great off the gun, but then I came in the next morning and dulled back a bit, and I think partly that was because I've got the 1.4 on there, so it might have just been that little bit too much material. So I could have either found the fluid maybe in a bit, or not, whatever. Yeah. But that's why, you know, I'll go for Pro Light with 1.3. This gun here, I believe you can't get it in a 1.3. No, you can't. And I tried fitting a 1.3 Optima Pro Light onto it, and it doesn't fit. Like, it's total, air cap, it just doesn't work properly. Although the rest of the gun, like, looks very similar. But it's, not interchangeable with the Pro or Pro Light, unfortunately. You know what? That's just going to need one coat inside here. That's covered after one. Let's give it a bit of a double header, just to be sure. We'll call that done. Probably more paint than what they put on from factory. There's the little Suzuki Alto, this little thing. Make sure we get that bottom edge. Painters don't bend their knees. Yeah, nice and fast. Very capable gun. tomorrow. Bob's your uncle, mate. That's gonna be enough? Nah, it's not gonna be enough. This is what I was saying about the DV1 pots, like, you wouldn't know how much is in there, and it's a white pot, so short of actually using clear, you don't really know how much paint is in there anyway, so the black pot doesn't really matter. A few people mentioned it. You can't really see how much paint you got in there with a white pot anyway. If that is a big deal, I'd go 3M TPF or one of the other disposable pot systems. Look at what you made me do, get red paint all through my nice TPI. Now red's the worst, like, it just sticks around in your gun and it's just the messiest colour out of all of them. I know, I'm happy to do a request every now and then, but don't go and ask me to use, what does this guy want? He wants the camera. Yeah, don't go and ask me to use colour through my my Lotus or anything like that. Get that number plate in so they know which job it's off. You gonna take it? Sorry, buddy. I only got my hands full there, mate. Help me out. Yeah, I can't even remember what I was saying. Probably just talking some shit like I usually do. If I miss any under there, we'll get it when it's up on the jack. Bit of a squirt. FLG5, baby. Doing what you do best. It just operates really well at like low pressures. See, that's too bar for this gun. It just seems like a very low pressure, like at the air cap, compared to that TPI even. It seems a lot quieter to me. There's crap all through the front of that fender. Yeah, well, you get that, we'll fix that with the buff, mate. Yeah, so that's us. Radio YouTube, yeah, I'm going to go out, clean those guns out. I'll come back and hit bake in about 5 minutes. So this is a little short one there for you, showing the GPI. Ran some Suzuki direct loss. Just ran it at 2 bar, full fluid and full fan. I probably could have wound that fluid in a little bit, but I didn't, and it worked, you know. All in all, that job, there's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, there's a few bits few chunks, or there's actually heaps down in this fender, but you get that. Nothing that won't come out with the buff. That's what I was always taught as an apprentice. As long as it comes out with the buff, you're all good. Anyway, gunners, I'll see you in the next one. Gunman out.